Welcome to Home of Om. Let's work together on how to build a yoga practice. In this video, we'll work with
a 10-minute practice to help you start your day.
If this is your first Home of Om film, why not try one of our other films?
Back bends, triangles, or get yourself in balance. Why not? If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel. It will keep us going. Don't just watch me practice. Go get your yoga mat and we can practice together.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So come to your yoga mat and let's begin to practice together. Just relax yourself into the child's position. Relax the hands, the shoulders, the back, and begin to focus on your breath. Begin to connect to your inhale and your exhale. And let's begin. We begin with some simple movements. We're going to come forward into a very soft cobra and then pushing back into the child's posture. With the inhale, come forwards, let the hips drop, and the exhale, relax back. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. And as you come forward with the inhale, let the elbows begin to bend and the hip drop to the floor, and exhale. So with each movement, you're going just that little bit deeper into the posture. Exhaling, inhaling to come forward, letting the head drop back if you can. Exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Take your time, no hurry. Inhaling, head drops back. Now we're going to roll down to the floor, bringing the forehead to the floor. With a nice deep inhale, you come up, and exhale, push back into the child's posture. Inhale, bend the elbows, the hips drop, and then roll down to the floor. With the inhale, lift the upper body and slowly push back into the child's posture. Inhaling and exhaling slowly, dropping down. Inhaling, cobra, exhaling into the child's posture. Inhale, exhale, and inhale, exhale the child's posture. Inhale, exhale, slowly relax into it. Inhale and exhale. And here we'll remain for a little while, letting the body system relax, the back, the hips, the shoulders relax. And let's begin with the next exercise. I'm going to do this cat and cow exercise. So inhale, head and bottom comes up. As you exhale, you push the back up. So it's a deep inhale and exhale. And inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And keep moving like this alone with deep inhales, slow exhales. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Just a little more, and once again we're going to relax into the child's posture. Let the back relax, the neck, the shoulders relax. And let's begin with the next exercise. So we're going to push into the downward dog, letting the heels drop. And here, breathe deeply, pulling the abdomen in, letting the shoulders relax. And we're going to walk forwards. So as you walk forwards, try to let the knees bend a little so the hands can really connect to the floor. And let's have some movement here. You're going to bend the knees and then straighten the legs. Bend the knees and straighten. Relax and then straighten the legs. Keep the shoulders relaxed and then standing up, completely relaxed, bringing the arms above the head and then exhaling. And so we're going to work with Surya Namaskar, prayer to the sun. Inhale, bringing the arms above the head. Exhaling, coming forwards, hands to the floor. Inhale, the right leg back. Hold the breath, the left leg. Exhale, drop the knees, the chest and the chin, or the forehead. Inhale, coming up into a cobra. Exhale, into the downward dog. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, bringing the left leg in. Inhale and exhale. Let's go for the next round. Left side, exhale, hands together. Inhale. Exhale, coming forward and sinking. Inhale, left leg. Hold the breath, right leg. Exhale the knees, then the upper body drops. Inhale, cobra. Exhale into the downward dog. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, the right leg comes forward. Relax the back. Inhale, coming up and a little back. And exhale. Next round. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale, stretching forward, bending the knees, the hands to the floor. Inhale, right leg. Hold your breath. Slowly exhale, knees, chest, chin or forehead. Inhale into a cobra, keep the shoulders relaxed. Exhale, the downward dog. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, left leg. And inhale, stretch forward and up and a little back. And exhale to relax. Left side, inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, coming forward. Inhale, left leg. Hold the breath, right leg. Exhale the knees, then the chest and chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale the downward dog. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, right leg. And inhale, stretch forwards and up and a little back. And exhale to relax. Breathe here deeply. Feel the new energy that's in the body. Keep your connection with the breath. And we're going to relax for 1 or 2 minutes to end the session. So coming on the floor, relax onto your back. So we're in Shavasana, the relaxation posture. And it's good always to take a relaxation after doing or practicing with yoga asanas. And the shoulders relax and the chest relaxes. The abdomen and the legs and the knees and the feet relax. The mind relaxes. The breath relaxes. The nervous system relaxes. And just let go of the thoughts so that you can be completely at peace. Feel the movement of the breath as it very gently comes into the body and gently leaves the body. Relax. 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 For the next few minutes. And begin to come back to the body. The legs come together, you stretch the arms over the head and reconnect again. And slowly bring yourself up to sitting with your legs crossed, and we chant Om and Shanti together to end. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.